This is just me petting Monkey. He's a pretty kitty. Hey, a pretty kitty. Hear that he's purring. Isn't he such a pretty kitty? His name's Monkey and he is my kitten. You mess with my cat, you mess with me. And you don't fuck with me. Same goes for my family. You fuck with them, you fuck with me, and you don't fuck with me. Say hey, Monkey. Say hi, Monkey, Monkey. He's purring. You can just hear it. You can also hear that it is raining, and I am laying right in the midst of it. Jerry Von Crow here. That was a little bit of me petting my cat, giving him some love, and he still wants more, of course. I'm currently about to make those vocal covers I wanted. I'll probably end up doing them at the last day of school and after everything's settled, because there's been some issues going on. Family drama, that sort of thing. It's chaos. Here's my little, well, it's more like a training sword or decoration sword, but it's still a sword and I love swords. I'm all about swords. Swords, guns, bitches. Gotta have them all. I wish. Just so long as you're clean. Can you see that it is raining like a motherfucker and Chloe's just sitting out in the rain. What the hell, Cloe? Why are you laying out in the rain? Huh? What are you doing? What you doing? She's weird like that. Normally she'd freak out because it's raining. Currently I need the trees there. Whatever. Stupid phone does that every now and then. Abby's training sword. It's gotten quite a little muddy and beaten up. You can just tell. But you can see it's got a little fencing tip right there. This was made off a broken broom stick made of some sort of cheapy ass metal. I'm gonna toss it. You know, that was a very shitty throw. I really have good skills. You flip the thing around like that. It's harder than it looks. Sorry. And here's my actual sword. See that I'm holding it wrong temporarily, but not anymore. I have a hilt thing for it, but I decided to take it off. See that it's gotten a little muddy because it's been used a couple times. Another crappy throw, but I'm not really using all that much strength. Broken dart gun. Legend of Zelda reference. The spin attack! You didn't even see the sword swipe. Yee! Down 4. I'm gonna put this somewhere special. I'm gonna head in. Sword in the stone. Neato. It has gotten wet again. Alright, I gotta head in. See me sprint. The reason I'm panting is I kind of have asthma and it got cold. It got cold and I don't bode well in the cold. I gotta go now. I need a drink. See ya. He licking his balls, giving himself a bath.